Welcome everyone. Today I just received a box with GLS and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Just cut open the tape, and this is not a lightsaber unboxing, so it's kind of unusual that I'm doing this. What I did was I ordered some soft air guns from a Danish shop. It's called Billy Lie, means cheap play, and they had a special offer on November 11, the Chinese Singles Day. It's kind of like Black Friday, but the offers are not as cheap as on Black Friday. But anyway, Black Friday in Denmark, it's not really a big thing, as you can't get good things cheap in Denmark anyway. So what I'm gonna do here is open it up and show you what I have ordered, and I'm gonna use the majority of the things I ordered as a Christmas gift this year. I'm not sure which one to keep, but as you can see, I got two CZ Scorpions. They're kind of cheap. I think they were like 30 or 40% off when I bought them. So these are quite cool actually. And then this is the company I bought it from, Billy Lie, at www.liebilly.dk. And they have all sorts of guns, software guns and so on, manual and electric. What I bought were all manual. It's not easy to get a gun permit in Denmark. Oh, he included a little gift for me. Gummy bears. That's pretty cool. And then the G12 soft air gun. This is a full metal soft air gun, while the other ones are plastic. Another CZ Scorpion Vz61, and oh, a chocolate Santa Claus as well. Nice. I think I'm gonna give all this candy to my daughter. And last but not least, FN Scar. Kind of looks like the rifle that they use in Fortnite. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've never played Fortnite, but this is what I've been told, that it kind of resembles one of the rifles in Fortnite. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna use 3 of these as Christmas presents. I'm not quite sure which one to keep. So if you have any ideas or comments, please write them below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.